Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is gonna be a haul video. So before going into the video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. I'll be leaving all the links below in the description box, so please go check it out, and you can also comment below for more suggestions. And yeah, now let's get into the video. So today's video is gonna be like as I said, it's gonna be a haul video. Actually, I was like sitting and thinking what to do for my next video, and suddenly I was like, what? Then suddenly I received this box, this big huge box in my mail, and guess what, this is from Divisa. This is by these products are by Roop Mantra, I guess. So yeah, Roop Mantra, and I was like really like amazed because they have sent me all these products to try and give a review about this product. But anyway, I thought, okay, let me just do a haul first, then I'll use them for probably a month or 2 months, then I'll give a review about this product. So I was like too excited, and thank you so much for sending me all these products, and they look so good. And yeah, let me just show you what all I got inside this bag. They have sent me this a letter, like I'll just put a pic over here because I can't read the whole thing. So they just sent me a letter, like for you know, for partnering with them and to give a review about these products. And I'm so thankful that you sent me all these products. Thank you so much, Divisha and like Roop Mantra. And they have mentioned here what all the products and what all they do. So I'll just show you the first one inside this. Yeah, before that, they have also sent me a cute little gift. I mean, this is not actually a cute one, but this is a timepiece. So yeah, this is it. This is the one they have sent me. They have all their company logos. They have said that dear partner, life is a celebration, enjoy it well, thank you. So I'm gonna hang it somewhere in my room because right now I don't have any place. So yeah, I'll be putting this somewhere, and I'll be posting it on my social media. If you guys follow me on my social media, you guys can see this. So yeah, yes, these are all the products they have sent me. And why is it so dull? Yeah, the first one is this Roop Mantra. Actually, to be frank, Roop Mantra is an Ayurvedic company where they produce all the products, and it is a Indian based company. So yeah, people who are more into Ayurvedic like me, because I don't want to put more chemicals on my face, I prefer using Ayurvedic stuff. So people who are like into Ayurvedic thing and all, you just go and try out their products. So yeah, Roop Mantra is an Ayurvedic medicinal cream, and this is like 3 use for weeks and see the results. Okay, a complete Ayurvedic skin health solution for entire family. This is just a cream. So this is how the cream is, and the packaging is like this. And I just want to smell it. It smells good. It's kind of Ayurvedic, turmeric kind of a fragrance, and this one is bit tinted. This is a bit orangish cream. So yeah, this is for, how much is this? 93 rupees for oh god, ₹93 for 30 grams. They have also mentioned all the ingredients, expiry date, everything. So the next one is Roop Mantra Cucumber, the new Roop Mantra by Dr. Junja's Cucumber Ayurvedic Medicinal Face Wash. So this is it. And it also has 15% extra. This is 83 rupees for 100 ml. So yeah, this cucumber face wash is so good. This smells so good. It smells like something like candy, like we all used to have it when we were like small. So when I was small, actually I was having candy which has the same smell to it. So yeah, this is green in color and has this orangish, oh my dog, orangish granules in it. So I'm excited to try this and see how it works. And the next one is by again Roop Mantra mint, lemon and mint face wash. I don't know why they have sent me like too many face washes which like will last me for an year, I guess. I don't know, like they have sent me like too many face washes. So I don't know, I'm not gonna use all of this, but anyway I'll be using few and rest I'll be sharing them with my family and see how it works for them too. So this is the face wash, and it also has like 15% extra. It retails for 83 rupees for 100 ml plus 15% extra. And the smell is it has this very lemonish and mint. Last they mentioned it is lemon and milk, but it has very strong fragrance to it. But people who are like who don't want to have fragrance and all, I don't think so they can use this because it does feel that lemonish kind of, but I love lemon anyway. So the next item is by again Roop Mantra face wash. As I said, they have sent me like too many face washes. This is by Roop Mantra Neem Ayurvedic Medicinal Face Wash. So it removes excess oil, deep rooted dirt, control blemishes and pimples. So yeah, this is the one. This is retails for 83 rupees, and also they have mentioned the manufacturing date and also best before everything. And the smell is, it has a nice smell. All these products has very good fragrance in it. Like people who like all the good fragrance, they can go ahead and buy this products. And this neem doesn't smell like that neemish, but it's good. I really like the smell of it, and it is greenish gel. It has greenish gel consistency, and yeah. And the next one is this Roop Mantra Aloe Vera face wash. Again, this is a face wash. This retails for 83 rupees for 100 ml plus 15 ml extra. This also removes facial skin dirt, which prevents blemishes and pimples. Like everything what they have sent is useful for controlling blemish, pimples and purifying skin. But the good part is that they didn't claim anything like you'll get tough fairness, whitish skin and all. But I really like that they mentioned only that it removes and prevents pimples and blemishes. That's very cool and kind of you. So this also This has that aloe vera fragrance in it, and it is green liquidish color, so I want to try this too, but I don't know when I'm gonna try all these things. So, yeah, next product is this Roop Mantra Zero Pimple Gel. So Roop Mantra Zero Pimple Gel. I actually want to try this, and I'm gonna try this and give a review about this because I actually have a pimple bursting, like it's there over here. So I just wanted to try this out, and I'll just let you know, guys, after using this. This is for 15 grams, and retails for 136 rupees. God, that's costly. It retails for 136 rupees, and I really wanted to do a review on this, and I'll let you know, guys. So it is also an Ayurvedic product. And it comes in a tube. So this is how it looks, and it's white gel. It is white gel. I kind of have a crush on gel products because you know, gels are like always good because they are of water based and they won't give you any breakouts, so it is like very good. I really want to try this and see how this is gonna work. And yeah, and yeah, it is also like Ayurvedic thing. Last but not least, again a face wash. So this is again by Roop Mantra Mixed Fruit Ayurvedic Medicinal Face Wash. This is also removes facial skin dirt, which prevents blemishes and pimples. So this is mixed fruit face wash. This retails for 83 rupees for 100 ml plus 15 ml extra. So yeah, this smells so good. This smells so good. This really smells so good, and it is reddish pinkish watermelonish color, and I really love the smell. And it has a gel base. Like all of the face washes are gel based. They are very you know, very light, very waterish, and they lathers up your lathers up very well, and they are like so good. They are like very good because I've tried them, because just want to see how the products are. So yeah, this is the last one. Roop Mantra, thank you so much for sending me all these products, and I'm really excited, and I want to do a review about this product, which is like good because it is a gel based one. And anyway, I'll let you know, guys, once I've used this. Keep watching my stories. I'll be posting everything on my social media networks. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye. See you guys in the next video.